Hi guys, welcome to Flickering channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix screen flickering when watching YouTube. So let's go to Chrome browser first, or open any Chrome browser. Then all you have to do, you can find on top right corner your three dot icon. Click on this and just click on this three dot icon and go to settings. Then just click on, you will find here a search box on top, this one. Just click and write hardware, and you'll find it. Use hardware acceleration when available, which is turned off. It should be turned off. If it's turned on, then you must turn this off. Okay, and relaunch or just reboot your browser and you're done. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.